Hello everyone, welcome to V.I Tech Academy. This is Ratul, your host. In this video, we will see how you can download and install Python interpreter. Python interpreter is used to run the Python code. If you want to learn Python, then you must have installed this Python interpreter. There are two ways to install Python. One, you can install from python.org. This is the official website of Python. You can also install Python interpreter from Microsoft Store. In this video, we will see how you can install Python from Microsoft Store. To install Python using Microsoft Store, go to Run dialog box by pressing Windows R.
Run dialog, type the name.
Type Python.
Selection.
Press Enter.
Desktop list. Op Studio 15 Microsoft Store window. Button text.
Now the Microsoft Store will open. Let me press Tab.
4.2 stars dot. Click to skip the ratings and
Pressing Shift plus Tab.
install button. Install
Shift plus Tab.
Python Software Foundation link.
Yes, Python Software Foundation.
Level
Shift
1
plus
help
Tab.
not select. Install button. Install Python 3.12.
Yes, install Python 3.12. So let me press Enter here to install Python.
Button starting download.
Let us wait
Pause
for the
download.
installation.
Pause download.
In the meantime, you can do like, share and subscribe to get more interesting videos related to assistive technology
Pause
in English.
download.
I hope it is now downloaded. To check whether it is downloaded or not, go to search,
Start window.
type Python,
Python 3.12.
Press enter.
C:\\.
Now just
Num lock on.
type some calculations, for example 1 plus 1,
1,
press enter.
2, greater.
OK, which means the Python is now
Micro.
successfully installed in our system. If you want to check the version of the Python, just go to Run dialog box,
Run dialog.
type cmd.
Desk C:\\. window.
Now here, type Python space
Python.
-- version. Press enter.
Python 3.12.2. C:\.
So this is the version of the Python installed in our system. Now you learned how to install Python in your system. You also require VS Code to write the code for the Python. Do check out our VS Code video and you will learn how to install VS Code. By the way, if you want to learn Python from top to bottom, don't forget to join our exclusive Python programming course. New batch is starting from the next month. Check out the link given in the video description below and register today. If you join the Python course with us, you'll also get the certificate. So what are you waiting for? Join now and learn Python with V.I Tech Academy.